Hello. So, going deeper into the life purpose energy and manifesting money, my today's topic is you are worthy of your money. Yes, you are. Either you are a twin flame masculine or you are a twin flame feminine, both of you, because anyway, you are one entity, you are just one being. You are worthy of your money. So, what does it mean? So, if there is a part within you that believes that, like, like as if I don't, there is like a deep lack sitting within you that you don't deserve money, that's why money is not manifesting in your life. Or maybe there is a simple thing like something has happened in your life, and or like with your experience directly, or a close family member who had actually lost a big amount of money. So that takes you deeper into this block where you don't feel you are worthy of money. And there are beliefs, right, in the society, like it's only the rich people who have the money and who can create the money. But that's not true, because you need to see how God has created everyone. The moment God has created the rich person with all the ingredient required for his thriving on this world, exactly in that formula you are created, right? So it's a matter of choice to accept that you are worthy and then put your effort into the action, because creating money and or the life purpose, it takes a lot of action. So there is just one fact I want to share with you. Your twin flame harmonious union is a energy, like you do almost 90 to 95% inner work. You don't do much of the action externally, and then you get into your harmonious union. But on a life purpose energy, like when you are on the path of manifesting your money, manifesting your prosperity and abundance, there will be like almost 75 to 80% will be action. You literally have to know what is the action that you have to take, and there is 20 to 25% energy. Okay. Then how to move forward with this, how to move forward? First thing, when you are beginning any action, you might have seen people they put their money in some of the idea, and that doesn't work out, that fails, and then they lose all their money. That's a big stigma most of us are holding in our consciousness. And then even if nothing has happened in your life like that, but you believe that failure is true, you don't believe that you are divinely worthy and you can manifest your dream, manifest your life purpose easily, because that experience or that belief in your energy body is actually blocking your flow of energy. Okay. So once you heal that, you and you naturally allow your life purpose energy to work through you, you are going to attract your money very naturally, because the nature or the universe or the earth itself is highly abundant. There is a lot of money. First of all, maybe you have a experience of poverty where you have not seen even people around you who are rich, but you need to see the source, or the God or the universe is full of money. Okay. So you can see how the value of money has increased, it has never gone down, right? You can see how much you could have purchased with 100 rupees uh, before maybe 20 years back, or 10 years back, and how much you can purchase in 100 rupees now, right? So the value of 100 rupees has down. Like earlier you could have even have a lot of grocery in 100 rupees, but now it could be just one chocolate for 100 rupees. It's like that. So it is always increasing, so you are always going to get that abundance of flow of money naturally. But if you are blocked within you, so you will not connect with that flow of energy that is there in the consciousness. You will not able to connect. So once you don't connect with that flow of energy, then you will not understand what action you have to take. So when you are energetically not connected and you are just taking the action, that action will end up with no money, because you are not energetically connected to attract the money. So then it becomes very natural that whatever you have done, that creates a stigma in your life and also takes you to a place that you totally believe that, as if there is something wrong with me, there is something astrologically mishappened that has happened with me. But all of that are story. You don't have to believe in that anymore, right? Whatever your situation may be, even if you are like physically incapable to do any physical action, still you can attract your money. That's the truth of union consciousness. That's the truth of God. Okay. God has not sent you to experience a life full of poverty that makes you feel like it's like something wrong karma that you have done in the past life and you are experiencing the punishment. No, it is just a matter of your choice. Okay, so as you are getting to hear me and you understand that you are getting this awareness that whatever your situation may be, you can create your money, you can manifest your money by coming in union consciousness with God very easily. Okay, because when you connect with God and you establish your connection with God, God is going to guide you to the action that is in line with manifestation of your desire. Okay, so you don't start with by just jumping in the action. Like you will see some formula, working perfectly by the person, and then you just feel excited about it. Wow, it is working for them, so let me also start and do it, and then you will end up with nothing. It will not work out for you, because you need to see it is their energy. God is flowing through them, through that energy. That doesn't mean it's going to work exactly for you, and that also doesn't mean that you cannot do the same work. Like as if I am coaching the twin flame, you can also coach the twin flame, but I am going to coach with my life energy, like the way I am created. But you need to first connect with your life energy, right? You need to first connect with who you are, how God is flowing through you, and then you connect with people through that energy, and you attract your customers, your clients, right? So you can absolutely do what other people are doing, but before that you need to understand who you are, because your life purpose is an extension of you. Okay, so you are worthy. God has created you absolutely with all your abundance. All that is, you first need to establish your connection by healing your blocks, and then work on the things that you have taken, and then you will see the results. That's how on the spirituality, when we are healing the inner block, we guarantee, when you have healed, the manifestation will happen very naturally, because that's how God flows through everyone. Failure is not at all true in spirituality. In spirituality, only success is true. It's not true that failure is a part of life. You have to fail sometime. No, in when you are with God on a spiritual path, you are going to succeed on each individual of your ideas, because even that ideas come from God. So heal your block and manifest whatever you are desiring easily, with all your worthiness. uh, just accept the dreams that you have always hold within yourself, and never believe that you can make it happen and be successful with it. So kill that fear of failure by healing yourself, and live a life full of abundance and prosperity. Thank you.